A FIPS endpoint is a regional or global endpoint that supports FIPS. FIPS endpoints are available for specific services and specific regions. So here is an example of FIPS being used. Notice that there can be some variation. So in the first case, we have EC2-FIPS. Then the second one, it says API-FIPS .SageMaker for SageMaker. So you can see that there is some variation in terms of how FIPS will be used. Using a FIPS endpoint may be required by enterprises that interact with the US government and possibly the Canadian government because it's a standard created for both of them. FIPS stands for Federal Information Processing Standard, publication 140-2. It is a US and Canadian government standard that specifies the security requirements for cryptographic modules that protect sensitive information. FIPS is something you should absolutely know when working in the cloud because it is often used. So just make note of that, and you'll see me talk about it multiple times throughout courses. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and use a different endpoint. We would just specify this flag, --endpoint -URL. It's for every single CLI command. You can override it. So here we could provide FIPS for KMS. When you're using the SDK, you specify an environment variable. So here you would use AWS_use_FIPS_endpoint true, and then it would start using the FIPS endpoint and figure that out for you. Okay.